Vanessa's Freckles, and today I'm going to be showing you something, but it's a surprise. So when I say 3, I'm going to show you what I have. Ready? 1, 2, 3! My Little Pony Squishy Pops! Yay! And it has Fluttershy! But I really wanted Rarity, but good thing I still got a Squishy Pop. And here are all the ones that you can collect. There's lots of them. So, there's a lot to collect. They can come with bracelets. The pack, they come with bracelets and a little keychain, a little bead, and Fluttershy. Some of them, they're like little circles, and they're like flying circles or whatever, and they come with them, and they can come with the beads, and I think they come with this too, but they also come with the Fluttershy. So now we're going to be opening it. Yeah. And open it up. Here's how it looks inside. Yeah! So here's the bracelet and the pony and the bead and the charm. Now let's get it out. Yay! Let's take Fluttershy out. So this is how the pony looks. It's really, really squishy. And here's the thing to get stuck to. The squishy part. And let's see if it gets sticky. It does! Look at that! Woo! And I think this is why it's called Squishy Pops, because when you put it, it's squishy, and when you put it on this, whatever you're going to put on it, it pops. You can hear the pop sound. And I thought this was going to be squishy, but it's not. So this is how it looks. So guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.